If you've been sitting there for weeks trying to figure out the perfect niche to start, I need to tell you something right now. That is not research. That is procrastination disguised as preparation. My name is Armando Garcia, and I became a self-made millionaire at the age of 19. I started in construction working with my bare hands literally every single day. And now I run a website agency that does over $100,000 per month. And one of the lessons that I learned early on was that a niche does not make you successful. Your consistency does. But you do need a starting point. And in this video, I'm going to give you a real repeatable process to pick a profitable niche with confidence. Not a list of 100 options, not theory. A step-by-step framework that you can use right now to get moving. I won't gatekeep anything in the video, so watch the whole thing. I know what analysis paralysis feels like. You find a niche, you get excited, and then 5 minutes later, you talk yourself out of it. What if it's too competitive? What if businesses in that niche can afford our services? What if I don't know enough about this industry? I went through this exact cycle when I was starting off, and that literally costed me weeks that I could have just spent building. But here's what I realized. There is no such thing as a perfect niche. There's only a good enough niche and the discipline to execute. The students I see succeed the fastest are never the ones who spend hours or days or weeks trying to pick a niche. They are the ones who pick something reasonable and literally started outreaching the next day. So let me give you the exact framework to find your niche fast, validate it fast, and start moving fast. So step one is going to be understanding what a niche actually is. A niche is just the specific type of business that you're going to serve. That's it. It answers one question. Who do you help? Concrete contractors, roofers, landscapers, med spas, barbers. That is your niche. When you pick a niche, everything gets so much easier. Your outreach messages write themselves because you know exactly who you're talking to. Your website templates already match the industry. Your offer feels custom and specific. Your pricing makes sense for the market. And most importantly, businesses in that niche feel like you genuinely understand them. You're not just another agency trying to sell something. You are someone who knows their world. And people buy from people who understand them. The mistake that most beginners make is trying to stay general. We build websites for businesses. That literally makes you sound like everyone else. Specialists always get paid more than generalists. Always. But before you commit to any niche, it has to pass these 3 questions. This takes 10 minutes and saves you months from wasted effort. Question 1. Can they afford $99 a month without hurting their pockets? You are targeting local service businesses that take real jobs worth thousands of dollars. A roofer who charges $10,000 per job can absolutely afford $99 a month. A small boutique selling $30 candles probably cannot afford that. You want businesses where your monthly fee is a rounding error compared to what they make. Now, question number 2 is, do they need customers consistently? Not occasionally, but every single week. Their business lives and dies on new jobs coming in. Contractors, landscapers, HVAC companies, med spas. These type of businesses are always hungry for new customers. That hunger is what makes them pay you month after month. Now, question number 3 is going to be, when you search them on Google Maps, are most of their websites bad or outdated? Go right now and search up your niche in your city. If you see businesses with no websites, broken websites, or websites that look like they were built in 2005, that is your opportunity. The worse their online presence, the easier your pitch is. If all 3 answers are yes now, that is your niche. Pick it and move on. Now let me go deeper. Here are the 6 traits that separate a great niche from an average niche. Trait 1, they need leads to survive. Contractors, med spas, cleaning services. These type of businesses cannot keep going with word of mouth alone. They need a consistent flow of new customers coming in. If not, they basically die off. And that type of urgency literally works in your favor. Trait number 2, they take high value jobs. One new roofing job is literally $8,000 to $15,000. One new concrete job is $3,000 to up to $100,000. One new HVAC install is anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000. When one customer that comes through your website is worth way more than what the client is paying you, it's completely worth it to them. That $1,000 for the website, the $99 hosting is literally nothing compared to it. Trait number 3 is going to be their current websites are bad. And this helps because you don't need to convince them that having a good website matters. You just need to show them why theirs is not good enough, and that becomes a way easier conversation. Trait number 4 is they're easily found. For example, you can find them on Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. And this helps because you can find hundreds of prospects in your city and your niche in one single afternoon. And this will help you in the long run because you'll never run out of leads. Now, trait number 5 comes kind of around with trait number 4, and that is that they're nationwide. So you won't be limited to one niche per city, and that helps because you're not going to be limited to one city. And the best part is once you figure that niche out, you can scale any niche in any city, in any state. And same thing with outreach. It's going to be the same scripts, the same templates, and the same offer, just a new location to expand with. Now, trait number 6 is going to be they already understand the value of the website. You don't have to educate on why the online process matters. They already know. They just haven't fixed it yet. And this makes your job way easier. Let me save you some time and give you a list that works. And these are proven, tested, and scalable concrete contractors. Massive volume, high job value, terrible websites across the board. One of the easiest niches to close, and that's actually the one I started with in the very beginning. Roofers, high urgency, high value jobs, always looking for leads, so that's a great niche. landscapers, huge volume in every city, seasonal urgency, and most of them have zero online presence. Pressure washers, easy to find, low competition, and it's a very affordable niche to start with. Painters are high volume, they need consistent work, and most of them have outdated websites. HVAC companies have high value jobs, emergent services, and they always need leads. And the plumbers are literally the same as HVAC, high urgency, high job value, and an easy pitch. Auto detailers is a growing industry. Younger owners who appreciate good branding, and you can even expand this into auto shops like PPF. Literally one PPF job is probably worth $10,000 to $15,000. Now here's one niche that you want to avoid completely at all costs, and that is restaurants, because they're low margins. Owners want to change their menu every week, constant revision requests, and they can rarely afford services long term. Stay away from restaurants and stay in local based service businesses. That is where the money is. Now here's how to validate your niche in 20 minutes. Do not commit to a niche before validating it. And here's exactly how to do it fast. Open Google Maps, search your niche in your city, and look at the top 20 results. Count how many have no websites or broken websites, or websites that look completely outdated. If at least 10 out of the 20 look bad, you are in business. The opportunity is literally there. Next, check job value. Search the average cost of a job in your niche. Roofing jobs average $8,000 to $15,000. Sometimes it can be way more. Concrete jobs average anywhere from $3,000 to up to $50,000, $100,000. It just depends on the size. But you literally want niches that where one customer coming through your website is worth 10 times your monthly fee, and that makes your value impossible to argue with. Then do a volume check. Search the same niche in 5 different cities. If you can find 20 or more prospects in every city, that niche has a national scale. You will never run out of leads no matter how big you grow. Finally, check their social media. Search the niche on Instagram and Facebook. If you see businesses with good following but no website linked to their bio, that is literally a hot prospect right there. They have an audience but nowhere to send them. If your niche passes all of these checks, you are done. Pick it. Commit to it for at least 60 days, and you will learn more from 2 weeks of outreach than 2 months of research. And I can promise you that myself. Here's the part that nobody talks about. Your niche is not permanent. You can always switch after 60 days if something's not working, but you cannot learn anything without actually trying. Picking the wrong niche and starting is 100 times better than picking nothing and just waiting. The students that win fast are the ones that pick something reasonable, start outreaching the next day, and just as they go. Momentum first, optimization later. Simple wins, fancy fails. I'm literally 19 years old and my agency does over $100,000 every single month. I work across multiple niches now, but when I first started, I only started with one. I picked it, I validated it in one single afternoon, and literally started outreaching the next day. And the students I coach who win the fastest do the exact same thing. Pick something, start, adjust, and grow. That is the whole process. Now that you know your niche, the next step is building your offer around it and learning how to close your first client. Click the link in the description below and you'll find my WAAS program. Here's how it works. You click the link, you fill out a quick short form that literally takes less than 2 minutes to fill out, and you tell us a little bit more about yourself, your current situation, where you're starting from, and what your goals are. After that, my team will reach out within 24 hours and we'll walk you through everything together. Inside of the program, you get a niche validation template, every website that we've ever built, and a full step-by-step system to go from picking your niche to closing your first client. The exact same system that took me from working construction to doing over $100,000 per month at just 19. Pick your niche today and start tomorrow. Click the link, fill out the form, and my team will handle the rest. Make sure to subscribe. I drop tutorials every single week, and I'll see you in the next one.